My name is Niyonsenga Patrick. I am trainer and workshop assistant at ADEF TVET School, Kicukiro, Kigali City. Today on 25 and 26 Jan 2025, ADEF TVET School is hosted training which organized by Matrix Rwanda with partnership of German company. This training is about for modern welding technology for MIG welding process and TIG welding process and the plasma cutting process. We appreciate Matrix Rwanda and ADEF TVET School which organized this event. This training is attended by different technicians from different company and industry here in Rwanda and teachers from TVET here in Rwanda.